What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Master Blends Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we make a smoked turkey legs. Look at this thing. Good God. Hey, y'all ain't ready. Let's get it. All right, this is the night before. I'm going to go ahead and make that brine for those turkey legs. I got 3 quarts of water right here. I'm also going to be using this sugar-free barbecue rub. A little bit of this kosher salt. And I got 1.5 cups of sugar. Also got 2 bay leaves right here. So I'm just gonna combine all this together. I might need more. I don't know right now. When I put the turkey legs in here and I start to cover it up, if I gotta add more water, I add more water. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this brine. All right, let me go ahead and get them turkey legs. This. Check that out. Look at that, boy. And there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and set this in the refrigerator overnight, and in the morning we'll go ahead and smoke these bad boys. So I'll catch y'all in the morning. All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna be making these smoked turkey legs. Man, these things are Dino size. Take a look at this. Look at this thing. This is crazy. And I seen this at the store. I said I gotta have them, man. So I had them in the brine solution overnight. I took them out. I patted them dry. We're gonna go ahead and season these things up. We're using this Rubtown. This Rubtown right here. There you go. And this sweet pepper honey chicken. That's all we're gonna be using on this. So we're gonna spray it down with a little bit of vegetable oil, and let's go ahead and get the coating. All right, that's what it looks like after you got these things covered up. Take a look at that. Perfect. All the way around. Yes, sir. All right, so I got my smoker set at 275 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and load these bad boys on. All right. All right, the smoker took about 20 minutes to warm up, so it's time to load these bad boys on. Once again, we're sitting at 275. Hey, we're gonna leave that on there. Every 30 minutes, we're gonna come out here and check on them. If they're starting to look dry, we're gonna spritz them, and they'll be ready at 170 degrees. So I'll be right back. All right, it's been about an hour, so this is what they look like after an hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray them off with a little bit of apple cider vinegar. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and rotate them and do the other side. We're sitting at 136 right now, so we still got ways to go. So hey, I'll catch you in a minute. All right, you guys, we're sitting at 167 degrees. It's been about 2 hours and 15 minutes. probably gonna leave this on here about another 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it off. All right. And bam, there you have it. Dino size smoked turkey legs. Take a look at that right there. Got that seasoning on there, that honey chicken. Got that Rubtown. Take a look at that interior. Man, oh man. Man, this thing came out amazing. That brine really came through in this turkey. Take a look at that. Look. Look at that. Man, oh man. Man, you just gonna have to try this for yourself. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Once again, my name is Trey. This is the Master Blends channel. Hey, it's time to eat.